Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to turn off smart charging if the option is not available in Windows 11 settings. We will use the manufacturer control app to disable the battery charging limit. So let's get started. So firstly, click the start menu and search for the manufacturer support app installed on your computer. Like my laptop name is Asus VivoBook. So my app is my Asus. If it's not installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. So inside the app, go to device settings, or some apps have this name as customization. Now look for battery options. Like here you will see power and performance. The first option you will see is battery care mode. Enable battery care mode to limit 80% of full capacity. You can turn it off. If the battery is limited to 80%, the protection mode is enabled. You can just turn it off to disable it. Or you can simply turn on this instant full charge mode. This will allow your battery to charge fully to 100%. Here you will see. Restart your computer once after changing the settings. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off smart charging and remove the battery charging limit in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.